Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first, find and select settings. Then from main settings list, select users and accounts. And here, as you can see, we've got account added. Just select it, tap on more icon and mark remove. Confirm that you want to remove it and tap on OK. Provide your fingerprint if you have one. And that's it, like if you have one entered previously. As you can see, we've just removed the Google account that was connected with this device. And now whenever you want to add another one, just click on users and accounts, tap on add account, choose Google, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then just provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.